waterfront, guys.
Remember the ads, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. A and I Family Adventure TV. Yeah. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. It's Monday. Yeah, so we're on the road doing what we do best. Yeah, we're getting there. Yeah. So thank you guys for all the subscribers who subscribe to the channel, and please like and share, guys. Remember to watch the ads are very important. Please, 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 guys, support us. We need you. Please and thanks. Hope everyone is okay. Yeah. Like here, so it just quiet apart from the vehicles passing, but it's very quiet here. Only through the water here, so kind of deep. I can't swim.
Throw a line and catch some fish.
Can throw a line. Yeah, most of the fisher guys them come and catch them fish. Yeah, there's a boat on it. Wow, look at that bird. The bird just fly and then jump down in the water. Pitch down in the water.
The fish am I looking at?
Yeah, maybe him see a fish. It just looks in the water.
Water calm.
Yeah, water nice, man. Calm.
You ready? Go back on.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's the
Cell building.
from this end of the steel. It's very nice. Yeah.
Blue Mountains.
Wow. I would love to go and hike up there. One of the I've never been there before, so I like
That make both
those
of
are
us
things that I like to do, like the hiking,
adventure.
yeah, the going to like different places, the beaches, the rivers, and stuff like that. Maybe one day we will reach overseas, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
God's willing.
And then we can vlog places overseas, like that part we won't continue.
Yes. Voilà. Yeah.
It's very nice downtown. Downtown, I want to talk with the places that you can go.
So the bus car for them build, but they're too far from people.
It's abandoned, right? But those buses can park in here now.
Yeah.
Because most of the persons, they like to be where the persons can be.
Yeah.
And it's a far way
Way
to
out of the
walk.
town, yeah.
Yeah. Because we're coming from
Alright, this is the one of them I built a expansion. Yeah, you see the lady come up on the bus right there. You go to Mali school here, she say. But she now comes so far to take the bus.
That is far, of course, that is way far out of well far out of the town.
Yeah.
So you expect people to like buy their groceries, right? Go market and stuff and then walk come so far. You have to like take a next taxi.
I push.
And then to get a cab drive to put. I want to walk in that man.
And what about spending?
I want to spend with that. Like push from the cab come here. So
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm going to go and charge. Maybe $100.
Hold on, me pen bus park up over there. Well, time maybe they just come cool out down here, so. Spanish Town. Yeah, pedestrian did understand how you can press. Jamaica building.
And I left my umbrella. From Cillian. Yeah. Now my camera. Bible pass.
The fish yards, fish and swims, lobster, everything. Seafood place. We should have go take a vlog, you know, but so we are run back at time. So we are run behind time, so we could have go over and vlog some fish, some lobster, some swims. D&D seafood. Yeah. Fish, crab, lobster. As long as them have reasonable price.
Huh?
As long as them have reasonable price. A craft market. A craft market. A craft market, that's it? Yeah. You never know. Please got the video over there, man. Jamaica craft market, downtown. Eh? like a head office. Morning. The craft market. Can I take a vlog off for you close them? The craft market downtown. Wow. Teacup them, beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. And we got beach. Yeah. Yeah. And put it over your bar too.
Yeah. Craft market.
Yes, big box. Right. Can I catch a vlog off for you? For your product then? Yeah, man. Yeah. Nice souvenir, guys.
Family adventure TV, yes. So we are like
Beautiful handbags. Leather, yeah, leather. Straight leather.
yes, guys. So come and get your handbags, your dresses, your belts, anything at all. Your art. It's a gift
fair,
for
go back
someone.
up. Yeah. Morning.
Good morning, Charles. Next, 10:30.
Yes, guys. They have a lot of nice wares here. You see this one too? This one is nice as well. This one, going on the beach. Yeah. You have on your bags too. I want the dress.
Craft market big enough, we can walk out it today, guys.
And I would love that.
Different days.
idea.
A different day we walk it out. Can walk out the craft market a different day.
It was nice though to let us go.
Yeah, highlights. I give them a free promotion. Free promotion. Yeah. Do some vlogging. Go back up to catch the kids from school. Craft market big, you know? Can't cover the whole life today. Yeah. A chill out spot, guys. Right at the craft market. Yeah. Enjoy some cool sea breeze. Still at the craft market. Well, we'll come to the end of the waterfront down here.
That freshness from the sea. And looking at all
The next, we have to cover the next NI next time. Yeah. We're not going so far, man. Let's go through here. So go back. Man. Jesus. Oh, they're clear and pretty.
Now I see why most of the people like to live right at the sea, close to the sea, and stuff like that. It's very nice.
Can't see no fish. Oh, they're clean and pretty, guys. Ship has steam up, it look like it's gonna left out soon. The ship has steam up, it look like it's gonna left out soon.
Hi guys.
Come. Now go back up. Our time is against us. Now go up on it. Go up on it. I'll go the one next time. I was like, somebody in the car or something.
Oh, you know me here like
You know, dep on the something. Connect to the car. Stop like the way up